My name's Rod Emory and this is Emory Motorsports. We've been building and restoring vintage Porsches for about 25 years. I grew up in a family where, custom cars were really in our blood, and my canvas, or the cars that I build, are 356 Porsches. I'm really known for taking these 356 Porsches and evolving the design. And oftentimes I'm forced to have to, find different ways or different methods to be able to make that work. One of the projects that we're doing in the shop right now is I'm taking a 1965 356 coupe and I'm blending the all-wheel drive suspension from a 1990s Carrera 4. You could just, start cutting things up and seeing how you make that work, or use modern technology, and that's really where 3D scanning and software helps us to be able to do that. We use Geomagic Design X to be able to both do our scanning and then do some of our post-processing, to be able to take the data and morph those two things together.
Throughout my years using laser measurement devices, Geomagic Design X coupled with the FarrowArm has been easily my favorite combination. I've always found it neat to watch just how quickly you can see everything render on the screen. You can see the level of detail. You can read the VIN number on this car.
It's just a really great way for us to blend both the old school technology that we use in building our cars with old power hammers and English wheels, and then to be able to have the flexibility of being able to quickly produce parts and modify parts using 3D scanning and 3D printing.